Are you an introvert seeking a full filing color that fits your personality and allows you to work from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. We have compiled a list of the top 5 remote jobs that are perfect for those who thrive in quieter, more independent settings. So we have here 5 websites. As you can see, the first one is Premise, then we have Fiction, then we have Survey Time, we have Mutual Opinion, and finally we have Appen. So let's know first of all what is Premise. So first of all you have to do is dive into premise.com. This is the homepage. As you can see here, you can select the language you want. We have your blog, help center, contact support, and join the community. You can select the one you want and know other information about Premise. So first of all, here we have Earn Money, Make and Unpack. Share your knowledge and insights to help businesses and communities make better decisions. Then we have here how it works. First of all, we have create an account, download your app on iOS or Android for free, and create an account using your email address to join the Premise contributor community. Then we have here explore our tasks, browse our task marketplace, and select the activities of your choice to complete within minutes. Finally, we have get paid. Choose the options to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer, or Bitcoin, depending on the payment methods available in your country. So this is it for Promos. So all you have to do is get started so far because it's very useful and helpful to earn money on internet without any problems, and it's easy to use it and work in. So the second one is Furpiction. As you can see, this is the homepage. All you have to do is dive into furpiction.com. We have here the homepage. We have Furpiction, our service, customer knowledge, UA audit, requirement testing, and we have also methods, customers, resources about us, and how log in if you want to find your account. Then here you select your language you want, and here we have number phone if you wanna ask about something, and here we have a various information like research consultant for your research and user testing anywhere in the world. We have also your UX research in a few days, qualitative or quantitative study with support according to your needs. We have first we write, we recite, we conduct the study, we recommend. Then here we have USA, performance, and China. You can select the one you want and no other information. So first we have here user experience, benchmark, studies, e-commerce, user testing, UX design, and we have our last white papers. Here we have our full demo in video. All you have to do is click over here and watch video. You can go directly also to platform overview, user feedback, analytics, and UX recommendation. So we have also here our UX research and testing methodologies. You can read it. First we have individual interview, focus group, quantitative survey, remote user test, and here we have user remote testing via our user research platform. We can listen to your users anywhere in the world. Then we have here our technology and expertise for your UX projects. We have here a unique UX research platform available in a language, a team of experts in UX research and UX design. Then we have it all about UX research with our blog. So you can just read and start making money on Furpiction. Then we have the third one is survey time. All you have to do is click over surveytime.com.eo, sorry, and this is the homepage. Get instant rewards for every survey you complete. If you want to sign up, let's click over here. You can also use Facebook or Google, and here you select your language, Then if you scroll on down, you have how does survey time work. If you are looking to make money online through paid surveys, then you have reached the right place. The process is as simple as can be. First, you sign up for survey time for free. Tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey, then start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, then you get an instant money reward. So here we have the benefits of survey time. First, a withdrawal threshold surveys for you, never miss a new survey, bonus rebate amount, choose your reward, survey is global. Then here we have survey where you take free paid surveys and earn money for each one you successfully complete. Then you start now if you want. The third one is Metro Opinion. So this is the home page. All you have to do is dive into metroopinion.com, page service, earn money online, work from home. So get up to $5 for each survey, safe and easy payment. So first of all, you choose your country. As you can see, click over here and choose your country. We have various countries here. As you can see, we have North America, South America. We have also Europe and Ocean, Africa, Asia also. Then how to earn with paid service and 3 easy steps. First of all, you sign up, then you answer, then you get paid. So how? First of all, after your inscription, then you will be invited to surveys via email. Answer honestly, your answers are anonymous. So finally you get paid. Then we have our money online. It's easy with Metro Opinion. Here we have a various information about Metro Opinion. Payments also we have, you can use PayPal, Vachi, donations also. Then here work from home by doing surveys. Then how much can you earn by working from home? This is the answer you can read to understand. Then you answer surveys on desktop, tablet or a smartphone. Here we have how to earn money on surveys, and you have the best paid surveys also. Then you click over here and sign up, and we talked before about country also. So the last one we have here, Appen. As you can see, we have various information about Appen here. All you have to do is dive into appen.com and read it. So we have here make data, your difference, your Appen improves model performance, draw human AI collaboration. So it use AI. Then here we have Apple supports the AI life cycle. The life cycle is your model, data sourcing, data preparation, model development, then model evaluation. So we choose Apple. First of all, we have expertise, skill, quality, flexibility, and innovation. Finally, we have here high quality data at scale. Discover how Apple accelerates the development of your AI application. So these jobs not only offer flexibility and independence, but also provide excellent financial rewards. Take the first step towards a fulfilling and profitable remote career today and transform your work-life balance for the better. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.